subscribe to our channel.
8 foods to manage blood pressure. 1. Bananas. People with hypertension should eat at least 1 banana per day. Bananas are rich in potassium, which is crucial to reducing blood pressure. According to a research study performed in India, eating 2 bananas per day can decrease blood pressure levels by up to 10%. 2. Celery. Celery is a purifying diuretic that can help your body to eliminate toxic substances. This powerful food has high quantities of butylphthalide, a kind of photochemical that is very helpful when it comes to controlling high blood pressure levels. Preferably, you should eat raw celery, either in salads or juice form. 3. Lime. Regular lime consumption has been recommended time and time again for controlling high blood pressure. Limes help reduce blood pressure by expanding the blood vessels and making them more flexible. We recommend drinking a glass of room temperature water with lime on an empty stomach once per day, without adding any sweeteners. 4. Garlic. Another food known for its power to reduce blood pressure and help improve your overall health is garlic. This food helps to reduce cholesterol, improve circulation, and, thus, decrease blood pressure. Specialists recommend consuming raw garlic, because this form will allow you to take advantage of all the benefits of this superfood. Another option is to take 6 to 8 drops of garlic extract diluted in water twice per day. 5. Onion juice. Onions, just like garlic, offer lots of benefits in terms of arterial and heart health, because they help improve circulation and combat high cholesterol and hypertension. To benefit from the powerful properties of onions, we recommend drinking the juice of half a raw onion each day, mixed with 1 teaspoon of honey. 6. Coconut water. People who suffer from hypertension should always make sure to be well hydrated, meaning that, if you have high blood pressure, you should drink at least 8 glasses of water per day. One good option is to include coconut water as a part of your total liquid consumption, because this nutritious beverage is known for being able to significantly lower blood pressure. 7. Watermelon seeds. Lots of people throw out the seeds from their watermelon without realizing that these little black seeds have a ton of properties that are good for arterial and kidney health. Watermelon seeds have a substance called cucurbitacin, which is capable of expanding blood vessels and improving kidney function. Likewise, these seeds combat hypertension and alleviate pain caused by arthritis. To consume these seeds, you should gently crush them before mixing them with a cup of boiling water. Let the water set for an hour, and then drink 4 tablespoons of this liquid several times per day. 8. Honey. Pure honey is capable of calming the blood vessels, meaning it is a great tool when it comes to lowering blood pressure. People who suffer from high blood pressure should consume 1 or 2 tablespoons of pure honey per day. Another option is to mix 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of ginger juice, and 2 teaspoons of cumin powder. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.